Hello and welcome to Rising Stars. Today's video is basically a story using basically a cloth book, and this book is called Hello Friends. First of all, you can put this on the floor, on a rug basically for babies. You can set up more than one of these, and for the babies to look at, for the babies to feel. There's different textures, so this will promote their sensory development and also stimulate their vision. Okay, and then again, texture, they'll be learning about different textures, sounds, okay, colors. If they're older, if you've got like a baby and a toddler as well, this will be suitable. And this can also be used as a carry along type of book. You can put this on a pram when you're going on maybe for a local walk, if you're a nursery, and if you are a parent or parents, you can put this on your baby's pram, and it will keep your baby occupied, okay, because they can look at the different pictures in there and look at the different colors and look at the numbers, and it's just something nice. Okay, so let's get into the story. It's called Hello Friends. Okay, hello friends. Hello, who's there? It's me, Tiger. It's a tiger. Hello, who's there? It's me, Panda. Munch, munch. Hello, who's there? Splash, splash. It's me, Turtle. Bye. It's a short story. Okay, and then you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all numbers. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Can you take it up to 10? 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are all numbers. Numbers, these are all numbers. Numbers, count with me. 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yay! Can we now do the colors? Green, orange, green, green again, turquoise blue, orange, and then there's some red, there's white, there is pink, there is gray, there is black. Okay, can we now do the animals? We've got tiger, we've got panda, we've got turtle, and can we do the sounds, the animal sounds? Grrr. That's a tiger sound. Munch, munch, that's a panda eating. Splash, splash, that's a turtle splashing in the water. Bye. Until next time, bye.
This one.